Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert and sell your dog's token on Tonkeeper wallet. First, connect to a decentralized exchange. Tonkeeper wallet support various decentralized exchanges where you can trade tokens. Popular options include ToneSwap and EverSwap. Then connect your Tonkeeper wallet to the chosen decentralized exchange by following the instructions provided on the decentralized exchange website or app. In the second step, find the dogs token. Search for the dogs token on the decentralized exchange trading platform. You can might need to use the token's contact address or symbol to find it. In the third step, create a trade. Decide how many dogs token you want to sell and the desired currency like TON, USDT, etc. Enter the amount you want to sell and the currency you want to receive. Then confirm the trade details and fees. In the fourth step, execute the trade. Once you are satisfied with the trade details, click on the spell or trade button to execute the transaction. Your Tonekeeper wallet will be prompted you to confirm the transaction. Review the details carefully and approve it if everything is correct. In the fifth step, receive your proceed. After the trade is successful, you will receive the equivalent amount of the chosen currency in your Tonekeeper wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.